What's good, YouTube? So right now we're gonna get into the studio tour. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. Then once I'm done inside my studio, we're gonna show you the different amenities in my building. So without further ado, let's go. Nah, this is different. This is different. So this is what it looks like before you walk in. I have my QR code. The QR code leads directly to my website and my sign so that when people walk in from either side, it's double-sided, so they'll know that this is where they need to be. And my digital payment signs right there. Walking in, we have our HVAC system. This system allows me to control the temperature in here. So if I turn it on, I have cooling, heat, fan, and just regular temperate mode. This is my electrical panel. If my power ever blows out or something, I can reset a certain section. It's never happened yet, thankfully. This is the waiting area that I have my clients wait at. Pretty straightforward. Got the couch for people who are a little sleepy. Got this for people who want to watch TV. Right here, I have my snack bar. Basically got some extra masks in here. Forks, spoons, cups, snacks, all kinds of snacks. In here, complimentary drinks. Got the microwave for my lunches when I bring them. We're gonna come back over to this area right now. So this is just a random table. I just bought it just because I thought it fit the aesthetic. Got the remote for the TV, some candles, my Alexa, my speaker, some business cards for my peoples on their way out. So if they wanna refer me to someone. Got my Wi-Fi, my cable and all that down there. This big behind TV, it actually does move too. So I can like pull it out, completely out and point it towards the chair over there so that my client can watch it. Right here we have our shampoo bar. Nice relaxing station to get your hair washed. I have my pumps right here. I recently invested in these. I keep my towels in there. I have a dirty towel hamper, but it's at my house. Sink, purchased this sink on Amazon. Got my little safety net right there. And it has a footrest too. So like if the person's tall, I'll move it back. This is my utility sink. So this is where I wash like my enhancements, my brushes, all the cleaning. I use this sink for. Up here, I have my booster seat. This is my storage bin. I have everything. The remaining snacks that I have left. I got my house call kit right there. I got some paint in there whenever I gotta touch up. All my capes right there. I got my old shampoo bottles, my extra hairsprays, my cleaning supplies, alcohol, sea spray. Got some extra sprayers in there, some do-rags, some more aprons. Got some trash bags, all my disinfectants, my paper towels, neck strips, my rags. Got a bowl for my lunch. I got some band-aids. This is like personal stuff over here, up here. Some old curtains. I got some old different weird clippers in here, Chinese clippers. This is my camera bag. Back here is just a bunch of boxes that I kept for clippers and stuff. Gonna come over here, I got portable dip bar. And as you can see, the vent system runs all the way through. So when it's hot, it gets cold fast if I put that air on. This is my background, my backdrop. This is my vacuum, my real vacuum, and then the little iVac where you sweep it into it. Got my camera chargers, my Alexas right there. These are my facial steamers. So for my spa treatments, I got two extra fans. This is my spa equipment. Got everything I need, the facial scrubbers, all the masks. I got all flavors. I got some honey facial cleanser in there, all my gloves, some more studio cleaning equipment. This is what my station's looking like. This is the camera that I'm using right now. I'm actually gonna upgrade soon. These are my ring lights. So these are the lights that I'm using. I'm using 4 lights. 3 are ring lights. 1 is like a square box light. This is my phone, my main tripod that I use. This holds my phone when I'm recording. Over here is my premium hot towel warmer. Got my speaker, my phone that I use to scan people in, and my Apple Pay machine. In here is my storage kit. I have everything I need in here. All my old equipment, house call equipment, hair dye, old shave gel, screwdrivers, any screw you can think of, all types of junk. Don't throw away your clippers ever. You may need a certain part, a screw that you may not be able to find again. So keep everything. That's my license right there. I'm not gonna share my information. That's my YouTube plaque. This is my pump. So if you guys are curious, the plumbing work that I had to get done in here, it was pretty intricate because basically we're in the basement. That's my water heater right there. It's not that big. I think it's like 20 or 40 gallons. I forgot. All this wasn't there when I first came in. So I'm gonna actually show you guys what it looked like when I first got in this building. It was blank. It was paint on the ground. It was very bland. It was just a box. We had to mop it. We had to mop it really good. Shout out my mom. She really helped me set this entire thing up. All my family helped me. After we mopped, me and my mom painted the entire floor. So after we painted it, that's when we started moving everything in. I had to test a lot of stuff out. We started building the equipment. Once I started building the equipment and everything was built, I was trying to figure out where I was gonna position my barber station, and then I settled right here. When you mix white and yellow light, you get greatness. That's just a gem for you guys. When you first come in the building, back there's a cafe. I'm sure you guys have seen it on the vlog. Great food, great Vietnamese food. I eat it all the time, it's amazing. If we come over here, this is the elevator. So what I just found out is that this building has a gym. I just found out, so I've been working out there a couple times last week. This is the mail room. This is the gym. It's pretty small, has all the equipment that you need. As you can see, it has a squat rack, has the pull-up bar, free weights. Only thing it's really missing is a mirror. Other than that, it's sweet. But yeah, there's more amenities. That's pretty much it. There is a bike room, a couple other food places, but they're like food charities. They're not really actual food restaurants. But yeah, I'm very grateful to God that I got this studio. Grateful for my family, grateful for my clients, grateful for you guys. Everyone had a share in making this possible. In no way am I self-made or did I do this on my own. So I really appreciate everyone who had a part in this. Y'all know exactly who you are. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Peace.